So hi together, today I got a new item from Xiaomi, the Mi 16-in-1 Ratchet screwdriver. So unbox it and see what's inside. Is it a valid successor for the Xiaomi Via screwdriver? Let's check it out. So, okay. Storage for all 16 bits is inside the handle itself, so you don't have to carry the handle and the screwdrivers. You're getting also an extension. Okay. So you're getting the normal slot 4 and 6 millimeters, the PH 0, 1, 2, 3, then PZ 1, 2, the T15, T20, T25, T30, hex 3, hex 4, hex 5, and hex 6. So the commonly used sizes. So you see this some mysterious hot stuff thing during the packaging. So I thought it would be plastic, but it's a little bit rebel. I think it will be alloy from the pictures, but it seems like plastic with some rubber surface. You're getting the left, then hold still, normal screwdriver operations, and right. There's the extension with a ball retainer, so it doesn't hold only with the magnetic force. The steel. Oh, so you can pull it out. So it's held magnetically, and then you just pull it to the end. So you're getting 8 double bits. And they're hold in place with magnetic, so it's not force or friction holding, but it's with magnetic. There are no more Via bits, but they seem quite good, not the cheapest one. There are also some oil from the production. So let's unscrew something. Let's take these PLC I take from eBay. Hopefully there is the fitting Torx T15. It's the smallest one. It fits for the back. That's T20. Get underneath the extension. So this is how the bits looks inside. You have to use the screwdriver put in back. Because of all the bits inside, there's quite big inertia, so you have to tighten loose screws like this with pre-existing threads. It's quite usable to screw or unscrew those fast. So the handle itself is quite comfortable. You can also apply quite good the force you can apply is quite strong. So I think this is a tool which is maybe an extension to the smaller kit from Xiaomi Vera with all the 2.5mm bits. A quite good extension, so you're getting compact, holding a little bit nice to have something to hold the extending rod. But yeah, this is it. That was the Mi 16-in-1 Ratchet screwdriver. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye.